Explore the 8 powerful functions of the RifeMedic 8. Rife Bioresonance delivers frequency programs to assist the body's healing by targeting specific pathogens, organs, or conditions. Use for infections, detox, pain, organs, inflammation, sleep, parasites, and more. Nature Treatments provides frequency-based treatments for cats, dogs, birds, livestock, and general animals. Use for specific conditions like parvovirus, Lyme disease, ringworm, tick bite fever, poisoning, bone healing, and more. Radionics Distance Healing sends frequency programs to a person at a distance using their hair or a small blood sample. Use for distance clients, pets, or those unable to attend in person. Shield Power Protection, a comprehensive immune system defense and pathogen protection suite. Use for anyone with weakened immunity, people who feel run down or at risk, those recovering from illness, and for caregivers, frontline workers, or anyone exposed to pathogens. Energy, chakra and color therapy balances the body's energy centers using chakra, color, or spiritual frequencies. Use for energy alignment, spiritual wellness, and inner calm. Charm, mind, mood, and spirit frequencies supports emotional and mental well-being using frequencies for brainwaves, moods, and cognitive function. Use for emotional harmony, inner peace, and energetic alignment. Body, frequency generator and water imprinting create custom healing. Set specific frequencies or imprint healing intentions into water for deep vibrational support. Use for personalized treatment, imprinting remedies, and scanning progress. Diagnose, symptom matching for remote support. Helps you find suitable protocols based on symptoms or conditions using a database of imbalances. Use for helping someone when they're unsure what's wrong, remote support, and case reviews. Contact us for more information. RifeMedic SA.co.za